Alright, today's video. Jacoby earns a monthly salary of $2,200 plus a 3.75 commission on the amount of his sales at a men's clothing store. What would he earn this month if he sold $4,500 in clothing? What would he earn this month if he sold $4,500 in clothing? That's what we're trying to figure out. We want to know what he earned. Yes? Okay, so what information do we have about Jacoby? Go ahead and write all that down. Yes, get your composition book out and write down what we know about Jacoby. Alright, so hopefully you've had the opportunity to write everything down. Let me show you what I wrote down. Alright. I've got that his monthly salary was $2,200 or $2,200. He's got a 3.75 commission, but that commission only happens when he sells clothes, right? And then we're told that he sold that many clothes. So if we want to figure out his monthly earning, we want to figure out what Jacoby made in a month, because that's what it asks us for. All right, for this particular month that he sold $4,500 in clothing, what do I have to do? Well, first of all, I know that his earnings, all right, I know that his earnings are his salary plus his commission. Those two things put together are going to give me what Jacoby made this month. Because that's how he gets paid. I mean, how does it say he gets paid? Jacoby earns a monthly salary of $2,200 plus a 3.75 commission on the amount of his sales. So, salary plus commission. Well, we know the salary, don't we? Salary is $2,200, yes? All right, so we know that that is $2,200, right? How do we figure this commission? Sorry, it's hard to see. That's a point right there. So, 3.75 commission on his sales. How do we figure it? All right. Hopefully you're telling yourself that I've got to take the amount that he sold for his clothes and multiply that by the percentage. Okay? I've got to take the 4,500, excuse me, that's a comma right there, and multiply it by 3.75%. Now, I can't multiply something by a percentage, so I've got to change it into a decimal. So instead of doing this problem right here, I actually end up doing 4,500 times 0.375 with the decimal in front. Now, why do I end up doing this question instead of that question? Why do I do this? Well, I can't multiply by a percentage. I got to hop 2 times to the left. 0 goes in that empty spot, right? So that's the question they end up solving, right? So once I get the answer to that question, I'll know what his commission is. Because $4,500 is what he sold, and he gets a percentage of that $4,500. He don't get the whole $4,500. Okay, he doesn't get every penny of the money that he doesn't get all the money from the clothes that he sells. He only gets 3.75% of that money. Okay, so that's percent of a number. That's why we're multiplying right here. Okay, so once we get the answer to 4,500 times 0.0375, we'll know how much commission that he makes. Well, it's $168.75. Now, I didn't bring this up today during class because I forgot, honestly. But tomorrow, bring this answer to class.